him for me? He's probably making waves down at the local watering hole.
Okay, on to Marmara's off now. I'll see you later.
It's Marmara. What a weird name. Wow, what a big world it is.
Yeah, far out.
I was getting little cramps inside that egg.
Don't go thinking that this is the whole world now. It stretches far beyond the other side of the lake, right into the churchyard, though I've never been that far myself.
Wicked, let's explore.
Wait. There are still 1 or 2 nest rules before you paddle off. Number 1, no wet, webbed feet in the nest. Number 2, you must feather your own nest every morning. Number 3, no quacking after sunset. Number 4, no plankton between meals. And number 5, wait a minute, you're not all here.
Hey, guys, there's going to be a new member of our gang.
Oh, quack, and it's the big one.
Look at the shell on that. Excellent. It's not there, Mama.
Yeah,
it's not there.
Hey, kids! I'm your dad.
Take a good look at him because you probably won't see him that often. Well, true to form, you missed it. The pitter-patter of petite paddles.
Well, I'm here now. Okay, kids, who's for a swim? Yeah! What's the matter? All that sitting around tired you out?
There's still one to hatch, dumb cluck. The big one.
Let me have another look at that egg. Yep. It's definitely a turkey's egg. I'll never get to go in the water. Just leave it. Oi! Cut that out. Why don't you go and teach the others how to swim?
You teach the others how to swim. I might as well sit for a bit longer. I've sat for so long already. A few days more won't make any difference.
Whatever you say, dear. Okay, kids. Last one is a coon. Hey! Wait for me!